Here we are today at mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. And we just got this beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Nova from an older gentleman that has owned it for several years. It was very hard for us to buy this car from him. He did not want to let it go. But we persuaded him, and he sold us the car, obviously, here at MGM. So he really took care of this car. Everything on this car is functional. He really paid a lot of attention to the nicks and crannies of the car. It's a nice car all around, guys. It's not slapped together. It was put together correctly with love and an open checkbook. Beautiful light blue paint on the car. It does have custom pinstriping that's tastefully done. Okay, well, this is definitely something that looks sharp on this car. All the chrome trim is all brand new. It's all newer. LED lights in the front. Expensive FOOSE chrome wheels. As you can see, disc brakes in the front. You got your antenna, your vent windows, dual side sport mirrors, all new. Beautiful paint, like I said earlier, guys. I mean, the reflection is super nice, and it is a super nice paint job. Any car show, you'd probably win an award with this car. As you can see, it does have tinted windows, a K&N filter under the engine, under the hood. Beautiful all around, all the tail lights, all the trim. I mean, look at this trim. I mean, you guys know Novas. A lot of this stuff is all beat up. This thing's in great condition. Back window is tinted as well. Underneath is super nice. Please refer to my photos. Engine compartment, as you can see there, very clean. Let's check out, look under the hood. But check this out. Look at the emblem, how we put it in the front turn signal. Isn't that cool? Side markers. Let's check out under the hood. 383 stroker, aluminum heads, aluminum Edelbrok intake, Sniper Holley EFI electronic fuel injection system. Newer chrome booster, newer chrome master cylinder, tubular control arms in the front, headers, aluminum radiator, Optima battery, super clean, well put together, guys. Chrome hinges. I am very proud of this one. Look at these doors. Factory pinch welds. They did underneath the doors, no rot, no rust. Excellent door panels with the speakers installed there. Nice door sill plates are newer. Outer door jamb is excellent. Rockers excellent. Inner door jamb is excellent. Around the windows is great, and that's on both sides of the car. Aftermarket reclining seats, real nice and soft. Seat belts intact on all four front buckets and the rear. Nice package tray, nice headliner. Autometer gauges. Carbon fiber cluster. Look at these A-pillars, real nice. Headliner's all brand new. Nice clean reverse rear view mirror. Excellent dash pad. Everything is new. Kenwood radio. You got your console here for your coffee in the morning. You got your high beam, brake light, wiper. And these are, that's for the blue lights that are underneath there. Okay, headlights. Billet. I believe these are billet along with that. Let's fire it up. So remember, this car is fuel injected. Just put the key, turn, let the fuel pump kick on, and just turn the key. That's it. It is tuned properly. Favorite time of the day, guys. Going for a nice drive. B&M shifter. Turbo 350 built trans. Dual exhausts. This is a great driver, guys. Very reliable. Everything functions. Transmission shifts great. Mild shift kit. Brakes feel good. Power steering feels great. No squeaks. No tire rubbing. Throttle, I hit 55 miles an hour. This thing is smooth going down the road, guys. Suspension has all been redone. You hit the brake, the car doesn't pull left nor right. You can drive this thing with one finger. No overheating issues. 7,726 miles on the build. All the bugs have been worked out on the car. If you're looking to drive across the country, guys, and be reliable, this is it. This is definitely it. Now, you can add air conditioning to the car. We charge $39.95 for install. We also do a lot of other customizations if needed. But that would be one thing that I would probably recommend for this one. And if you wanted to upgrade the stereo as far as speakers and amps, that's more of a custom job that we can give you a quote for. Side sport mirrors, now they have the LEDs in them. If you wanted that package, we have that as well for optional upgrade install. Wow, this thing is nice. guys, and no complaints by me. I'm very picky with my cars. This thing is priced excellent for what it is, guys. No doubt. And listen, any Nova you buy, make sure you drive it before you buy it. Or at least you have the guy make a video for you, because suspension makes a big difference in cars and how they drive. You guys know that. But this is proven. I'm showing it to you now. So MGM Classic Cars, 26 years in the business. Myself. I own over 200 cars. I have them on my website. I hand pick them. So we build cars, we drive them, we sell them, we trade them, do a lot with them. But one thing that's important to me is showing you the cars, driving the cars, you having the experience like now in the video, like sitting next to me. And listen, I'll tell you if there's something wrong with it. We own a full service department. We can fix anything. And this car is ready to go. This is a no complaints Nova. And it's priced excellent. So I'm not scared of work. And I'm not going to tell you anything different than what it really is. So we're located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. Over 200 cars in stock at mgmclassiccars.com. We have great financing for credit scores between 640 and 775. You will need $4,000 down. Good credit, good income. Rates start at about 7%. Now you can roll in your taxes. You can roll in your delivery charge, and all you need is $4,000 down minimum to qualify for the loan. Now, if you have a better credit score, like a 775, we have a no money down option. Rates also start at about 7%. So if your score is between 640 and 775, fill out the application at mgmclassiccars.com. If your score is over 775, go directly to my lender's website at lightstream.com. Okay? And if lightstream.com gives you any issues on a return email, let me know. I do have good contacts with all my lenders, good relations with all my lenders. Again, being in the business for over 26 years, guys, you get good relations. Okay. So for delivery, if you need, most people do. I get it. Everyone's busy. For delivery, you would call or text your zip code to me. My number is 847-848-1850, and I'll get you a quote for delivery right to your driveway. We are licensed, insured, and bonded for the purchase price of the vehicle. So you can ensure proper delivery. And you can buy with confidence, guys. I have over 500 5-star reviews. And that's because we're honest with people. We tell them the truth. We fix the cars. We do whatever we need to do to make you guys happy. Okay? We're 100% feedback on eBay with hundreds of sales. So keep that in mind when you're buying a classic car these days. Now, we do welcome everyone to come visit us. We can go for a test drive together. If you want to fly in, we're 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, 45 minutes from Midway Airport. We do welcome you. Touch it, feel it, see it. Don't forget to check out the pictures that I'm going to post on the website for underneath the car. I want to make sure you guys see everything and know everything, and that's where we're headed to right now. right to the service department, and we're going to put the car in the lift. What else I can tell you? Remote control for the radio. You got the Kenwood with the CD player, Sirius XM radio. You can plug in your iPod to this thing if you wanted to. Seats are comfortable too. Well, guys, enjoy the ride. I think I talk a little too much. I'll let you guys just enjoy the ride. Thumbs up wherever you go. Man, this thing handles real nice. Wow. Everyone, thanks for watching my video and you spending your valuable time with me here. Don't forget to check out mgmclassiccars.com.